Okay, welcome back to our still life drawing. Today we're going to be putting tone into our drawing. We're going to be putting value into it. When we finished last time, our drawing was all built out of contour line, this line drawing. Today we're going to make that feel more realistic, make it look three-dimensional by adding value. So this part, there was a lot of careful looking, checking relationships, checking angles, and making sure that things were, the ratios were correct. It should just be the fun part, a lot less technical work. So that being said, drawing still requires careful observation. That is the key to drawing. There's no magic to it. It's just about close looking, drawing what's really there, not what you think you see. This lemon isn't just like, rah, rah. It goes straight, it curves, it has its little quirks. Noticing that, those little idiosyncrasies about things, that's what makes things look real. So draw what you see, not what you think you see. Okay, another strategy that we're going to use today is squinting. When you squint your eyes, it helps you see value shapes and it helps you see value pattern. When we talk about value pattern, what that means is the pattern of lights and darks. If I squint my eyes and look at this, where are the darks? Where are the mediums? Where are the lights? I would look at my still life, squint my eyes, see what that value pattern feels like. I would look at my drawing, squint my eyes, see if those value patterns feel like they match up. You can do the same thing for value shapes within objects. If I look at this lemon again, I can see where are the darks? Where does it start to gradate into lighter darks? Where are the highlights? Which shape are those highlights? Which shape are those darks? If I can see what that shape is and put that shape on my paper, they match up. It looks right. Again, no magic. It just works. So squinting is a super helpful tool. Okay, another strategy. Before we finish our drawing, we're going to eliminate all of the outlines in it. Right now, our drawing is built out of line. The whole thing are just contour lines, outlines, edges. But we are going to turn that into a 3D object with tone. Now, in real life, there are no outlines around things. So if you look at my shirt and I put my hand against my shirt, you're not seeing an outline around my hand. What you're seeing is value difference. My hand is a lighter value than this dark blue of my shirt, right? So you're seeing the difference in value between my hand and my shirt. You're not seeing a line around my hand that's separating the two. So in our drawings, when we're done, no outlines. Okay, general to specific. That's another strategy for working. Just how we built this drawing, this part, from a really loose gesture and then built it up into being more specific, more accurate, we're going to do the same thing with value. We're going to start off putting in big areas of values, looking at this overall, and then as we build the drawing, as the drawing builds in layers, we're going to go from general shapes to more specific shapes of light and dark, maybe reflected light, subtle variations within shadows. That stuff shouldn't happen till later in the drawing as the drawing builds. Okay, today we're going to be using our compressed charcoal. That's the big chunky charcoal stick. We're going to be using the blending stump, which is just that charcoal stick that we can use. We can also use our fingers. Dirty fingers are excellent drawing tools. And remember too, our eraser is a drawing tool. We can erase in highlights, erase in subtle value gradations using an eraser. So really great drawing tool. What we're not going to be using, we're not going to use the vine charcoal. This is what we used for our preparatory drawing to get things going. Even though these lines may look a little dark, they're still very light and workable because we built them with the vine. So we're switching over to the more permanent media, the media that's not going to brush away so easily, the media that has more staying power and will give us those velvety darks that we love in this compressed charcoal. So these are the tools that we're going to use today. Okay, let's go.